You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab. Raigada district in Odisha, 15 August 2026. The 80th Independence Day was observed with significant enthusiasm, pride, and patriotism throughout the Raigada district. The district collector of Raigada, Ashutosh Kulkarni, served as the chief guest at the district level ceremony held at the local PM Shri GCD High School ground, where he hoisted the national flag. Raigada SP Raj Prasad was also present as the guest of honor during this event. Following the flag hoisting, District Collector Kulkarni conducted an inspection of the parade. Approximately 40 platoons, including members of the CRPF and Odisha Police, participated in the Grand Parade, showcasing a remarkable display of patriotism and discipline. The efforts of Reserve Inspector Raigada, Dinesh Kumar Sahu, were particularly noteworthy for ensuring the smooth execution of the parade and the orderly presentation. During the Independence Day festivities, certificates and awards were presented to students who achieved top positions in various competitions across different boards, subjects, and disciplines at the 10th, 12th, and graduation levels. Additionally, individuals recognized for their exceptional contributions in national service, social service, environmental protection, and acts of bravery were honored by the chief guest. Certificates were awarded to Devi Prasad Panigrahi of the Indian Army, Lakshmi Narayan Padi of the Indian Air Force, and Thakur Prasad Jena of the Indian Navy for their dedicated national service. Furthermore, Anadi Goroda received recognition for his social service, while T. Gauri, a nature enthusiast, was acknowledged for her efforts in environmental protection. 3 individuals from the Kalyan Singhpur area were honored for their acts of bravery and humanity. They are Balram Bagh from Valeri village, Purushu Hikaka from Intaliguda village, and Ramchandra Palaka from Binishpur village. Each was awarded medals and prizes in recognition of their bravery and exemplary contributions.
आमर समाज रे जो शांति श्रृंखला रे हजार हजार वर्ष एठी जीवन व्यतीत करथिला ताकू ए माने ध्वंस करदेले समूह समूह भितरे झगड़ा लगाइले और तार अल्टीमेट तार इंपैक्ट हैला कि आमर देशर विभाजन हैला काली आमर विभाजन विभीषिका दिवस पालित हेतिला एठारे भी मुक्तता आमको 15 वर्ष मिले और यहाँ तो अधिक भयंकर थिला आर्थिक उपनिवेश इकोनॉमिक कोलोनियलिज्म गोटे जमाना था जो व्यापारी भारत को आसीथिले आमर उत्पादित वस्तु को नेबा किंतु ब्रिटिश माने भारत को केवल कंचा माल रो गोटे सप्लायर बनाई कपा नील इंडिगो शुगर केन ओपियम चा एटी केवल उत्पादन करी यूरोप नहीं जाइतिला और आमर देश को पक्का माल एटी आनी की बढ़ाई की दर रे बिक्री करे की आमर देश को गरीब कर दे
प्रति वर्ष साबरे स्वाधीनता दिवस रे आमर सब महान स्वतंत्र संग्राम थे बलिदान त्यागर मूल्य पकाइबा और आहरी आगे जाकि विकसित ओडिशा विकसित भारत केमिति गठन करबा सुस्थ स्वस्थ और शक्तिशाली राष्ट्र केमिति बनाइबा आवर समस्तंकर दायित्व केमिति रहिबा कामना जानिबो दिवस अनुसार आज परेड भी देथिला पूरा प्रोटोकॉल हिसाब से समाप्त ही करी आज स्वाधीनता दिवस पानी गले सही पिला मनकर परेड पटिशन चलला समस्त को आज अवार्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होची और प्रति वर्ष प्रमाण डीएचएच और डिस्ट्रिक्ट जेल में जाएगी मीठा बंटन भी हो अनुसार आज सब कार्यक्रम संपन्न तो आपण जानछन्ती कि सदाबेले किसी न किसी सरकार पदक्षेप रायगड़ पे न्यूछन्ती आपण देखुछन्ती कि सदा कंटिन्यूअस नुआ नुआ स्कीम्स रायगड़ ना आछे आमर आपण देखते तो सबुठ बड़ स्कीम अच्छे आम प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना 4 और मुख्यमंत्री सड़क योजना जो रायगड़ सबुठ पुराना प्रॉब्लम रोड कनेक्टिविटी एटा ऑलमोस्ट सैचुरेशन ही जीवो पानी सप्लाई पे आपण देखिथिबे मेडो पाइप तो सप्लाई स्कीम्स चल हेल्थ एजुकेशन रे गुडे इंटरवेंशन चालू एबे रिसेंटली कैबिनेट पार्वतीगिरी मेगा लिफ्ट इरिगेशन रे वंचाधरा नदी रे लिफ्ट इरिगेशन कार्यक्रम आरंभ कर रायगड़ा गोटे शिल्पांचल जिला अपन देखिथिबे रायगड़ा रे बॉक्साइट खणी और रिफाइनरी पे भी एक्साइटमेंट अच्छी शिल्पापत्नी भितर एक सबू रायगड़ा को आगे नहीं जबाई और जिला प्रशासन कमिटी।
Additionally, Shriyashita Parida, the daughter, and Debojit Parida, the son of Praful Parida, received first prizes for their performances in the patriotic song event during this occasion. Maushami Maji and Swapna Huika, who have brought honor to the district through their achievements at the national level in sports, were also recognized. They received accolades for securing bronze medals in the national throw ball competition. Students from various schools organized a parade, a dance performance, patriotic cultural programs, and several competitions.
जवान दोस्तों, मेरे शहीद होने के बाद जब तुम
The exhibition chariot presented by the Cyber Police also captivated the audience present. The contributions of the district administration, police administration, R&B department, municipality, PhD, various line departments, public representatives, teachers, students, and all associates were commendable in ensuring the success of this grand event. The efforts of the District Information and Public Relations Officer, Devraj Takri, who efficiently managed the preparations for the 80th Independence Day, coordinated with various departments, and handled publicity and media communication, were also noteworthy. Following the parade, the chief guest and district collector, Ashutosh Kulkarni, exemplifying humanity, distributed fruits to patients receiving treatment at the district headquarter hospital and 2 prisoners in the district jail. This Independence Day occasion conveyed a message of compassion, empathy, and a human perspective towards the vulnerable and needy. The district administration extends its sincere gratitude to all 9 departments, R&B, municipality, PhD, police administration, public representatives, officers and employees, teachers and educators, students, and the residents of Raigada who contributed to the success of this national festival. Through the collective efforts, cooperation, and coordination of all involved, the 80th Independence Day celebrations became a memorable and glorious national festival. Manoj Kumar Mishra, Editor-in-Chief of the Sigma Media Lab, prepared the report.